In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your n8n account. If you've decided it's time to remove your account, I'll walk you through the exact place to go and what to expect, so you can complete the process confidently and without confusion. First, open the left pane in your n8n workspace. This is the vertical sidebar on the left side of the screen where you navigate between different areas. From there, select the admin panel. The admin panel is where account-level controls live, and it's the right place to manage important settings tied to your profile and workspace access. If your view looks a little different, make sure you're in the correct workspace and that you have the appropriate permissions to reach the admin section. Once you're in the admin panel, click Manage at the top. This brings together key controls in a single spot, so you don't have to dig around in multiple menus. You should see a clean layout with sections that group related settings, including the area we need next. Now, scroll to the section labeled Danger Zone. It's usually near the bottom, and it's designed to stand out because it contains irreversible actions. Take a moment here. The Danger Zone is intentionally prominent to remind you that anything done in this section can have permanent consequences, particularly data loss. If you're just exploring, consider pausing here and reviewing any important workflows, credentials, or configurations you might want to retain. Within the danger zone, select Delete Account. This option is specifically for removing your account from n8n. When you click it, n8n will typically show a confirmation prompt. Read that message carefully. It explains what deletion means, what data may be removed, and emphasizes that this cannot be undone. If you're confident you want to proceed, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the process runs and your account is deleted. That's it. If you were logged in, you'll likely be signed out shortly after. Keep in mind that once this is complete, recovering access or previously stored items associated with your account won't be possible. Before reaching this point, it's a good idea to make sure you've saved anything you might need later, such as workflow logic you want to replicate elsewhere. To recap, open the left pane and go to the admin panel. Click Manage at the top, scroll to the danger zone, choose Delete Account, and confirm. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll have a smooth, final cleanup of your n8n account.